Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something super exciting in the Delaverse playground, building your very own learning AI agent. Imagine having a smart assistant that pulls in learning materials and chats with you right on Telegram, making education feel effortless and fun. This learning AI agent workflow turns complex study materials into easy to understand explanations, delivered instantly. It's perfect for students, lifelong learners, or anyone wanting to upskill without the hassle, saving time and boosting your knowledge retention in Delaverse's seamless environment. Getting started. Log into your Delaverse Playground account and hit that Create New Project button. Give it a catchy name like My AI Learning Buddy to keep things organized. Once you're on the canvas, you're ready to drag and drop your way to magic. Let's break it down. First, bring in your learning resources by adding a Google Docs node for fresh dynamic content or a file database node for your favorite PDFs and guides. These feed the brain of your agent. Next, add the AI Assistant node. Pick a powerful model like OpenAI and tweak its instructions to focus on clear educational vibes. Connect your data sources here so the AI can process and explain everything. Finally, hook up a Telegram node with your bot details to send those smart responses straight to your chat. Voila! Instant learning support. Keep an eye on progress. After running your workflow, head to the System Logs dashboard. It's like a behind-the-scenes peek, showing you interaction histories, how accurate the responses are, and even learner engagement levels. This helps you tweak things for even better results over time. Pro tips for power users. Want to level up? Refine your AI's instructions for deeper insights or add more data sources, like online articles. You could even branch out to email alerts for daily learning nudges. Experiment on the canvas. It's all about making it personal to your learning style. In the end, this learning AI agent empowers you to learn smarter, not harder, right from Delaverse. Track your progress, get tailored insights, and watch your skills grow, all with the transparency and ease Delaverse brings. Dive in today and transform how you learn.